In this video, you'll learn how to see bookings on Microsoft Bookings so you can quickly understand who's scheduled, when, and for what. We'll go through how to access your shared booking page and how to use the different calendar views to get exactly the level of detail you need. Let's begin with the shared booking page. This is the central place where all appointments for your team or service are collected. Make sure you're signed in to Microsoft Bookings through your organization or personal account. Once you're in, look for the shared booking page you want to work with. If you manage more than one calendar, you might see several options. Choose the one that corresponds to the team, service, or project whose bookings you want to review. Selecting the correct shared booking page is important because all the views we're about to explore will only show you the bookings for that specific page. After you've selected your shared booking page, you'll land on its main management area. To actually see your appointments, go to the Calendar tab in the left sidebar. This Calendar tab is where all scheduled bookings appear, and it's where you'll spend most of your time when you're planning, tracking availability, or checking what's coming up. Once the calendar loads, you'll see a drop-down menu in the top right corner. This controls how your bookings are displayed and is the key to switching between different views. Each view has a specific purpose, so choosing the right one can make your scheduling work much easier. First, there's the day view. Select this if you want to see everyone's schedule side by side for a single day. This is especially helpful when you need to know who is free at a specific time or when you're trying to avoid double booking staff. In Day View, each staff member typically appears as a separate column and you can see all their appointments aligned by time. Use this when you're working on detailed daily planning, assigning last-minute bookings, or checking availability before promising a time to a client. Next, you can switch to Week or Work Week View. These give you a traditional weekly layout of all staff schedules. Week View usually shows all 7 days, while Work Week focuses on your defined working days like Monday through Friday. This is ideal for understanding your overall workload across several days, spotting patterns in your busiest times, and making sure no one on the team is overloaded. If you're planning team coverage, vacation schedules, or recurring appointments, this view will give you a clear picture at a glance. You can scan across the week, see how bookings are distributed, and adjust your schedule as needed. Finally, there's Month View. Choose this when you want a broader long-term perspective on your bookings. The entire month is laid out, making it easy to spot trends over time. This is particularly useful if you're tracking busy seasons, preparing for major events, or keeping an eye on long-term deadlines such as key project milestones or thesis-related appointments. Instead of focusing on individual days, Month View helps you think strategically about how your time and resources are being used over several weeks. As you work with these views, don't hesitate to switch between them frequently. Use Day View when you need precision, Week or Work Week when you're planning the near future, and Month View when you're thinking long term. By selecting your shared booking page, opening the Calendar tab, and using the View drop-down in the top right corner, you'll always have the right perspective on your Microsoft Bookings schedule.